want to learn how cells divide? Listen to this rap, you're in for a ride. There's a couple of ways for cells to do this. One's called mitosis and the other's meiosis. Mitosis is where we'll start to show you how the parent cell splits apart. Prophase is the first on our list. The chromatin condenses and begins to twist. Nuclear memory starts breaking down while the centrioles are moving around. The centrioles head to all parts of the cell. Spindle fibers form between them as well.
Metaphase is what happens right here. Spindle fibers latch into the centromeres. Mitosis is working. How can I tell? Sister chromatids match at the center of the cell. As long as they have the spindle fibers inside, these chromatids will split when the cell divides.
Anaphase is step number 3. Centromeres divide and chromatids flee. The spindle fibers in the cell begin to shrink, causing the sister chromatids to unlink. Chromatids move towards either pole. Now we're one step closer to our goal.
Telophase is up and we ain't relaxing. The chromosomes are foil and form chromatin. The genetic material is now erected so the metabolic activities can be directed. Now the spindles are broken down and new nuclear membranes can be found. Cytokinesis, the last stage of division. The cytoplasm splits. I saw it with my vision. In animal cells, the parent will pinch, so daughter cells form. It's a cinch. In a plant cell, it makes a plate. Walls and membranes form. Isn't it great?
Mitosis occurs when cells want to grow, but what happens when they want to make more? Meiosis 1 comes into play, and we've got some more facts coming your way. Not much has changed from the verses before, lots of the same facts and a little bit more.
Prophase 1 is the first again. Chromosomes form from chromatin. Centrioles separate and move amongst the cell. A spindle starts to form. Isn't it swell? Just like before, but with a minor tweak. Chromosomes pair up to make it unique.
You better stay awake, cause we're not done. Now we're ready for metaphase 1. Spindle fibers become aware they should attach to the chromosome pair. The pairs line up along the equator. They'll separate from each other later. Anaphase 1's here hanging their sport. Spindle fibers were long, but now they're short. Chromosomes have had enough of their brother and begin to separate from one another. The chromosomes go to separate poles so they can move on to fulfill their roles.
Telophase 1 and cytokinesis, it's almost over. Thank the Lord Jesus. The cytoplasm of the cell splits in two. Haploid daughter cells result, and now they're through. The cell's assortment of chromosomes is random. Off to meiosis 2 goes the tandem.
Meiosis 2, it's your time to shine. Prophase 2 is the first in line. Nuclear envelopes breaking down. Spindles forming in the daughter cells now.
Just like it happened in our previous pages, metaphase is the next of our stages. Sister chromatids line up in the center. The spindle fibers are acting like a mentor. Anaphase 2 is knocking at the door. Chromatids separate just like before. They move to opposite sides of the cell. One last stop and all is well.
Telophase 2 begins like the norm. Spindles break down, the nucleus forms. The cytoplasm splits into 4. They're all unique, we could say no more.
Hopefully this rap has made everything clear. Everything you need to know is all right here. I hope that you've written down some quotes, cause when the test comes up, you can't look at your notes. Rock to You by Tyler, Ben, Freddie, and Tom. I'm sure you'll agree this rap was the bomb.